We're in the apothecary today, and we are going to take a deep dive onto one of my favorite, most obsessed over essential oils, whole wood, also known as whole leaf. But there's like tons of confusion about this essential oil, so I also have to clear that up because of safety issues. I'm surprised that people don't talk about this essential oil more because it is luscious and sexy and relaxing and seductive, and it's an amazing substitution for rosewood, which is endangered. Until recently, there is now one source you can get rosewood that is site certified and sustainable, and you can get that and this through the links in my profile. I'm Erin. I'm a certified holistic aromatherapist with over 20 years of experience with essential oils. I'm also an herbalist, holistic health expert, and sound practitioner, here to help you live a holistic lifestyle with ease. This is going to be a deep dive, so it's probably going to be serious, so just be patient. I'm going to give you a lot of information here, though. There's a problem with naming botanicals sometimes, and this happens in herbalism, it happens in aromatherapy. The same term or similar terms are used to describe different plants or the same plant that has different chemotypes, which is even more spaghetti in your brain, right? So the species that we're discussing today, the tree that we're discussing, Cinnamomum camphorum, you first of all need to see if that is the name that's on your essential oil bottle, but that is not the only thing. There are three main types of what we call chemotypes for this species that you may see marketed or that you could purchase as essential oils. Sometimes it's called whole leaf, sometimes it's called whole wood, and to make things even more confusing, sometimes it's called Ravintsara with a T in it. And if Ravintsara isn't even more confusing because there's another essential oil called Ravensara with no T in it, that's a completely different species called Ravinsara aromatica, totally different tree. Okay, so back to whole wood, whole leaf, and Ravinsara. A chemotype is a species of plant or tree that, when grown in different environments, produces typically different compound mixes in the final essential oil, which means that based on where the essential oil is grown, it's going to have different therapeutic properties. And it's going to have different safety concerns, which is very relevant to our conversation today about whole wood, whole leaf, Ravensara. I'm going to have to do a part 2 on this, so look for that later today or this weekend. Ultimately, we're going to be talking about whole leaf and all the amazing things it can do for you.